Central banks have been ramping up their gold purchases, and it's making waves across financial markets. So, should you be concerned? Should you follow their lead and buy gold for yourself? Let's dive into why central banks are buying gold and why this might just be one of the smartest moves for you too, especially if you're a high net worth individual or a retiree looking for stability. You might wonder, why is gold so important right now? Central banks, who oversee national currencies and economies, are diversifying their reserves by buying up gold at an accelerated rate. They're doing this to protect against the ongoing risks associated with inflation, currency devaluation, and even the economic uncertainties we've seen in the past few years. If gold is good enough for central banks, isn't it time you took a second look? Now, before you jump into buying gold or other precious metals, there's one crucial option you need to consider: gold IRAs. A gold IRA allows you to invest in physical gold while keeping the tax benefits that come with traditional retirement accounts. This is a game changer for retirees, especially when you consider how volatile traditional investment options like stocks or bonds have been in recent years. Gold has proven to be a reliable store of value, especially when markets are unstable. It's a hedge against inflation and can provide that sense of security that's critical in retirement. And if you're serious about protecting your wealth over the next few years, you'll want to make sure you're investing in something that offers both safety and growth potential. That's where a gold IRA can really shine. If you want to learn why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs to safeguard their savings, I highly recommend clicking the first link in the description for a free gold IRA guide. This guide has helped many people like you start securing their wealth for the future. Let's break it down. Many investors are facing tough choices right now. Traditional savings methods, like keeping money in cash or bonds, offer low returns and leave you exposed to inflation. Real estate can be unpredictable. Meanwhile, the stock market has seen its ups and downs. This is why central banks are buying gold. They're looking for stability. As a retiree, the last thing you want is to see your savings shrink due to inflation or market volatility. Gold isn't just a commodity, it's a shield. If you're a retiree with $100K or more in an IRA or 401K, or even if you have upwards of $5 million in savings, it's critical to consider how gold could protect your wealth. Central banks are doing it, and if it's working for them, why shouldn't it work for you too? By holding gold in your retirement accounts, you ensure that your savings aren't solely dependent on the whims of the stock market or economic shifts. But here's the thing. Gold isn't just a passive investment. It's a way to strategically protect your wealth. When other assets are underperforming, gold often stands tall. This is exactly why you see central banks buying more gold than ever. It's a long-term hedge that has consistently outperformed other assets in uncertain times. For you, that could mean a safer, more secure retirement. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, this is the perfect time to act. And as mentioned earlier, if you want to make sure you're getting the right information to get started with a gold IRA, click the first link in the description for your free guide. Gold IRAs are ideal for retirees with substantial savings, whether you have 100K or 5 million. These retirement accounts allow you to own physical gold in a tax-advantaged manner, helping you diversify your portfolio, protect your wealth, and keep it working for you in a way traditional assets simply can't. To wrap things up, the evidence is clear. Central banks are buying gold to hedge against economic risks, and it's time you consider doing the same. Whether you're a retiree with 6 figures in savings or someone who's already worked hard to build up millions, securing your wealth in a gold IRA could be one of the smartest moves you make. Once again, if you haven't already, don't forget to check out the free guide in the description. This could be your first step toward a safer, more secure retirement. You've worked hard for your savings, now make sure they work for you.